Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here, and today I want to talk to you about Skillshare, which is a super cool site I came across rather recently. I am personally working on putting together some courses for you guys, acrylic pouring courses, resin courses, and also business courses. I'm working on all of those. So I've been looking at different sites to potentially put my courses on, and then also I'm always interested in learning new skills myself. So I came across Skillshare, and it is an online creative community with a bunch of awesome classes and courses on just creativity, including like watercolor painting and all kinds of forms of painting, photography, videography, graphic design, interior design, business, like all kinds of things that are really exciting. So I personally signed up for a watercolor course from Kat Coquillette, which I am having so much fun. It's modern watercolor techniques, and she goes over all the basics, all the materials that you'd need. And another really cool aspect of it is she creates watercolor pieces and then puts them on all kinds of things, phone cases, shirts, etc. And I've always been very interested in creating merchandise. I've created a lot of merchandise myself. So this is really exciting to me, and I'm having a lot of fun taking this class. And let me know, guys, down in the comments if you would like to see some videos on me practicing along with some of these skills and techniques that I'm learning in watercolor. But there's tons of other super cool classes on there. Like if you're not interested in watercolor, there's a postcards from here playing with ink class from Dylan, which I'm really interested in as well. And then there's one called Simple Productivity, How to Accomplish More with Less, which I'm also really interested in. So there's just so much, there's something for everybody. And if you're like me, I'm sure you're sitting around at home either kind of anxious, or some of you might be bored, or you just want to learn a new skill. Maybe you're rearranging your furniture a lot and you need to learn some interior design skills because it's not looking so good. I don't know. Anyways, but I wanted to tell you guys about this, and I do need to mention this is a sponsored video from Skillshare, which is really exciting because they've given me the opportunity to offer you guys some free memberships. I'm going to read this out loud, word for word, just to make sure I get it completely correct. But basically, the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click the link in the description will get a 2-month free trial of premium membership so you can explore your creativity. That's awesome. You know how many classes and courses you can do in 2 months? A lot. And how many new skills you can explore that you never knew you had? So all of you that say you can't even draw a stick figure, take advantage of this, or anyone, all of you, just take advantage of this if you can, or if you want to. I think it's really, really awesome. I'm very excited about the class that I personally am doing. So make sure that you guys get signed up. Please let me know in the comments if you want to see some of my new techniques that I'm learning with this watercolor class. And I'll give you guys an update in a couple weeks of how I'm enjoying my classes that I'm taking, the courses and the new skills. And yeah, just make sure you go ahead and join